The Predator Platinum is the premium performance platform automatic stretch wrapper. It comes standard with remote control starting. The receiver is located on top of the control panel box. Press Start on the remote and the cycle begins. The film jaws release the film during the first part of the cycle. The Predator Platinum control panel box swivels 360 degrees for full viewing from any angle. The side-mounted carriage with fast film feed provides easy and quick film threading. Select Stretch allows you to quickly change your pre-stretch level from 200% to 250% with the press of a button. At the end of the cycle, the film jaws grip the film and the hot wire instantly cuts the film. The whale tail brushes the film against the load for the best film wipe down in the industry. The control panel consists of a touchscreen for easy machine setup and help screens, start, stop, reset, adjustable film force, adjustable carriage and turntable speeds, on-off switch, and emergency stop. Need more information? Contact Highlight's sales team or visit our website at highlightindustries.com. When looking for the highest quality, the highest value equipment, look to innovative products from Highlight Industries.